Hello dears, and welcome to Benidorm Costa Blanca, Spain. Welcome to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and we are here to have a short walking tour down the Avenue of Philippines in Rincon de Loix, which is where you'll see some of the best entertainment and shows, as well as some nice quality hotels to stay in. We start today's tour right next to the Hotel Pueblo of Benidorm. This is the parking lot right where on Wednesdays and Sundays there is a big local market going on. If you want to see what's being sold on this market, what the prices actually are, and what you can expect, you can check our informative videos here on the channel where we've showed you a lot of the times the local markets. Here down below in the comment, you will find a link where you can check the video directly. And this is where we find some attractive hotels. You will also have the actual prices here on the screen for each one of them. On the left side, it's where we get a direct access towards the famous Girona Street, or the famous British Street, here in the area of Rincon de Loix. Right towards the right side, we have a hotel from Servi Group, which is Hotel Pueblo. Quite a big sized hotel with some smaller houses and the main building. Nice common areas and great entertainment in summer. We have the official tour of it as well here on the channel, so check it out if you are planning to visit this hotel. The price, you've already seen it here on the screen, how much it costs right now to come here in August, in the peak season in Spain. On the in front of us, we have Hotel Servi Group Venus. These are two buildings, and they've refurbished the exterior part not so long ago, making it look like Hotel Nereo and a lot of other hotels from Servi Group that they have around this area. On the left, we have the lovely Hotel Helios. It's a 3-star hotel, very highly rated. Everywhere on the internet, more or less in Booking, for example, it's 9.1. In Google and TripAdvisor, everywhere it's very nicely rated. And the price, you can see it here on the screen. Right up until the beach, up until the Levante beach, it's 450 meters. This is not a long way to go. It's not even half kilometer. Straight road through this lovely avenue, and you will be here already. Here there is a mix of national and international guests in an absolute harmony. Very comfy, as a lot of people do say in their reviews, and actually a nice place to go. It's slightly more expensive on booking.com, for example. We've seen the price right now for 190 euros per night from 2nd to 3rd of August. This is the actual price for a double room, breakfast included. So with breakfast. Without breakfast, it would be maybe like 30-40 euros less per night. But still, taking into consideration it's August, 4 stars hotel, nice place, nice location, not a bad price as it is. In front, we have more bars and pubs. This is Jokers, for example. This is where you can have some nice drinks. I think they still do have, we'll see it in a second, but for quite a long time in a row, they used to have an offer for 2 for 1 for drinks during the whole entire night. And obviously they do offer shows here, they do offer tributes, and a lot of other interesting entertainment for people. Okay, they also say there's stag and hen parties here best, or probably they work with this company. See, Disco Cabaret 2 for 1 all night at local spirits with mix. Live sports, different shows every night. It's actually nice. 9, 10, 11, 12 at 1 p.m. This is all p.m. time, okay? It's not during daytime, it's p.m. Quite nice exclusive shows as well. All right, special night out for different occasions, for birthday, for hen parties, So that's the place you might be willing to go if you're looking for a special celebration. Right in front, we have two incredible hotels, absolutely incredible. The Gold Arcos, which we filmed for you guys once it opened up. Amazing quality hotel. They have a Royal Arrow bar right below it. And in front, there is Hotel Presidente, which is 4-star superior after refurbishment. After a brand new change, it's 4 stars plus right now. Great place to be, also beloved by international tourists, and a lot of British tourists are choosing this incredible place. We absolutely love the design and couldn't be happier that so many Benidorm hotels are changing completely to adapt to recent needs of tourists and to the desire of stay in a comfortable quality place. They have a couple of establishments inside which do offer even more incredible entertainment. Philippines, I'm sure you know this place by now. If not, Philippines 10, because this is the avenue name. Here is where they have a huge entertainment inside. The Greatest Showman, 10 daily shows starting from 7 p.m. up until 12 at night. Just look at this. Huge variety where to choose from. There is also a disabled access with mobility difficulties access available for you guys, so don't worry. Nearby we have a bar surprise attack. They do have offers, for example, 2 beers Estrella for €3. That's not a bad price. 2 Heineken €5, so it's like $2.50 per bottle. I mean, usually in the nightclubs, night pubs, entertainment places, that's what it typically costs. So it's not something unusual, but buckets are a better deal because this is when you get it for €2 only per bottle. These terraces are extremely busy at night because this area connects directly with the British Street, which is right in front of us. There's also a Lochness disco pub out here. A few supermarkets, obviously, where would we go without that? Out back, the Aussie bar, sports bar. Also a great place to be if you don't want to stay in a big, very crowded bar or pub. This tends to be slightly more quiet in this sense, because right here down the corner is the Calle Girona, which is Girona Street. And this is the famous British area, which goes parallel to Levante Beach. This is where all the biggest amount of people are coming at night time. We filmed it just a week ago, maybe even less. We filmed it for you guys, the Girona Street in summer. It's summer nights, and you can actually see how busy it was getting. So one of the pubs that a lot of people do visit, but others do say that are slightly conflictive in a sense that there's a lot of fights, a lot of issues constantly, is the Red Lion, the show bar, sports bar, all in one. A lot of people still do visit it. They do have the security on board. However, obviously, since it has something to do with nightlife, with drinking, etc., it's not a secret that fights might start happening out there. The Gold Dollar Saloon, also quite a big place. As you can see, a lot of these places, they have the names in English. Obviously, they even have a menu in English, and a lot of the workers in these bars slash pubs do speak almost only English. Some of them don't even speak Spanish so much, simply because this is Rincon de Loix. This is the area where mostly international tourists or British tourists, English speaking in general, are arriving. So having an English-speaking staff and people who would understand it, who would be able to serve and provide a good service, is the most important thing. The beer garden, happy hour 2 for 1 on all local spirits. Okay, that's also nice. A lot of bars do put it like this actually right now to attract more people to them. And we came down to the Mediterranean Avenue, one of the most important avenues that also go parallel to the Levante Beach. And on this avenue is where you can get the majority of buses. The public transport in Benidorm is a bus. This is the only thing that you can take unless you go to the upper Benidorm and take a tram. a train, small train that connects with Albir, Altea, or even with Villa Joyosa, Campello, San Juan, or Alicante as the last stop. So this is where you are actually able to get the public transport. The tickets are being purchased right by the bus driver. Some nice place out here. Burger, 10 euros. Lettuce, tomato, and provolone cheese. Ooh, menu for 2 people, 45 euros with some grilled meat. That's not bad, probably. Sports Terrace, Old Fox Sports. Right now, almost all places here, they do have these giant screens. You know, they do have at least 1 or 2 televisions where they show sports non-stop. There's barely any single space at all in Benidorm that doesn't have television like that. Probably because obviously they want to attract way more people to their business. But still, having so many screens everywhere, I'm not sure how we feel about that. The Rock and Ribs. Oh, that's some grill place out here. This is one of the newer places because they've changed it. This is like a steakhouse slash grill place. Premium ribs. Okay, all right. That's not bad at all. Some buckets, deals here as well. And some entertainment. That's good. Some live entertainment, which is even better because it creates like a special atmosphere. Okay, slightly more expensive bucket deals. 11.95, so basically like 12 euros for 5 bottles, which versus the other places where they were like 10 euros, but it's just 2 euros difference. Smoothies, fresh smoothies, homemade lemonade. Well, like recently made handmade lemonade. That's also good. Tattoo and body piercing places out here. This is a new place which is Silverwood. They have some nice terrace here, and it's more like a pub slash bar place to visit. The banana is also great, by the way. Banana is great. It's a cocktail place. They have offers on cocktails, on buckets, on beers, on some food and snacks. They have nachos, chicken wraps, burgers, mixed dishes, English breakfast. Okay. And inside they even have some entertainment like games and things. Not bad. Mojitos, cocktails, special drinks. And here we have the, oh, it's unusually empty. Tiki Beach is unusually empty today. Probably it's because it's Tuesday evening when we're filming this video. So it's just less than 1 day of difference from when you see it actually. But it's a Tuesday evening slash nighttime. The sun is setting down just right now. And probably at night there's going to be way more people out here since right now it's just 9 in the evening. However, the terrace starts to get, slowly but surely, it starts to get busy. Usually the busiest time for the Tiki Beach is either midday on weekends or in general any festive bank holiday or weekend in summer, especially at night. This is when there is no free space at all to sit down out there. And the loveliest Levante Beach promenade to have an amazing walk before or after dinner or before you head for some drinks to numerous different places that Benidorm has to offer. Thank you for accompanying us on today's short walk down the Avenida Filipinas up until the Levante Beach, and we'll see you in a new video. Bye, dears.